Well, one of the spaces that has seen huge outperformance is the financial sector, and things have definitely improved over there. In our segment Quarter Se Quarter Tak, Abhishek is here to tell us what to expect from the banking earnings in Q2. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, Sonia, banking sector has been one of the best loan growth that they have seen in a while. So the loan growth for the sector in Q2FY23 is at a multi-year high of 16.44% on a YoY basis and around 4% on a sequential basis. There has been business updates which has come in from few lenders, which shows that private banks have witnessed strong loan growth momentum and they continue to take away the market share from the PSU counterparts. So RBI has been raising rates, so have the banks. So hence you can expect the net interest margin of the banks to remain stable or improve on a sequential basis, given the fact that most of them have raised their lending rates. Now asset quality will not be an issue in this quarter. We may see improvement in asset quality with lower slippages and better recovery. Large part of the slippages may come in from the restructured portfolio. That is the expectation of analysts. Now credit cost or provisions for NPA divided by the advances ratio will be lower on a sequential basis for majority of the players. So PSU banks will not see a huge reversal in the treasury losses that they had in Q1 FY23. Although many had guided for the fact that they may see 50% of the losses reverse in Q2 what they saw in Q1. So we may continue to see private banks outperforming, or given the fact that they will be investing in the franchise as well, which may keep their operating expenses on the higher side. Now we have some of the estimates from Kotak Securities, who estimates SBI NI growth to be up about 7.5% YoY and 7.5% on a sequential basis. Net profit to be up close to 52.6% YoY and 92% on a sequential basis. For SDFC Bank, they expect NI growth of 17% YoY and 6.3% sequentially. They are expecting profit growth for SDFC Bank to be about 27.5% YoY and 22.5% sequentially. For ICICI Bank, they expect NI growth of 18.7% YoY and about 5% sequentially, while for profits they have an estimate of 35% growth on a YoY basis and 7.8% sequentially. For Axis Bank, Kotak Securities estimates NI growth of close to 27% YoY and 6.8% sequentially, while net profit they are estimating a growth of 46.5% YoY and more than 11% sequentially. Back to you.
All right. Abhishek, thanks very much for that. We have Vishal Goyal, who's